Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how to learn English faster and speak English fluently. So let's get into the video without wasting any further moment. Also, many of you watch my videos but don't subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. So now let's get into the video. Rule number 1 is that you should write vocabs and English words that are new to you in a separate diary and keep revising all the words that you have written in your diary. Rule number 2 is that you should read English newspapers. For 10 to 15 days, you will think that it's very difficult because of very tough vocabulary and English words. But after some days, you will think that it's not that much difficult. So, read English newspapers daily. Book reading is a very good habit and also very nice way to learn English and increase your knowledge of vocabulary words. It also helps you to learn new English words. So if you are having time, please read some English storybooks or different types of books. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's move to another method. After that, you can also start a conversation with a person. This method will be helpful for you as well as the other person. So you can try out this method. You can search your query on different search engines or comment down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching my video and please subscribe Learn English with Ease. It's free of cost.